Hey guys, we are back with another episode of HoloCall, and this time we are proud to announce that we've connected iPhone with HoloLens. So actually what you see here is a stream from iPhone 10, and I'm recording through HoloLens. The reason I'm using a DSLR camera and shoot through HoloLens because the recording was not sufficient with HoloLens built-in one. So actually you can see that this is a HoloLens here, and we have James and Oliver with an iPhone. Also, you should note that we have the camera from the iPhone, so in the application it's pretty sweet. Two-way communication. This is gonna be the future. Watch our previous episode where we showcase how we add 3D elements in here. Amazing guys, first in the world, iPhone loves HoloLens. See you.